Hey folks, Bob here, Bob's Classic Cars and Parts, and look what we have here. This is a 1970 Pontiac Lemans Sport. Now this is obviously a restoration in progress, or maybe a saved in progress. There is a difference. This car here has what may very well be original paint, but it does have some blemishes on it, but it looks awful nice at the same time. It's possible it was repainted at some point. You can see where there's some bubbling here and there. I think it has been repainted. I believe it has. Yeah, I believe she's been repainted. Probably been a little while ago. Check that out, won't you? Ain't that cool? Look at that. I like the way they did the 350 badging on these cars. It's a convertible, as you can see. It needs a top put on it. So they've got some new parts in here already. Yeah, it looks like they're doing some rubber weather stripping on it. Now, I'm up here at a garage that does fixes up and I ain't gonna say they restore old cars, but they fix them up. This is a Le Mans Sport. I'm at Harrison's garage in Wake Forest. This is his overflow bay. You know, obviously he had to get this out of the weather. We had a lot of snow come in, so it's stuffed in here kind of tight. So I can't get around it as good as I like. Yeah, this chrome back here, this looks nice. This car here, I think, may have been restored at one time. Maybe an older restoration. But that roof, that top has definitely never been restored. That looks original. I don't know. So we got little blemishes in the paint. It makes me think it's been repainted, but it's been a while ago. Rust on the bumper. Interesting to find out the story on this car. And we got an inspection sticker. Looks like it's marked 7. It's been off the road that long. I don't want to open the doors or anything. This shop owner gave me permission to video, not the car owner, so I respect their property. I like this car. This would make a nice project. This really would make a nice project. You can probably get pretty much all the parts you want for this. Let's see. Don't want to show the license plate. Yeah, somebody's been wet sanding on it back here. You see right there. Looks like they're trying to get a run out. Interesting. Really cool car, man. Really cool. 1970 Le Mans Sport with a 350. Bucket seats, automatic in the floor. Little wooden grain dash. Can't tell me this wouldn't be a cool car. Alright folks, I'm going to turn you loose. And I'm sorry I can't get around it any better than that, but that's as good as I can get. The lower balance panel looks nice. Alright folks, Bob out. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hit that like button. Also hit that bell notification. That way you'll get notified when I've got a new video out. I put out a video pretty much once a day. And I think you guys enjoy most of my videos. I sure hope so. Alright folks, take care.